Hey guys, wanna know how to download and install BeFunky on PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you have Microsoft Store. And this video is only for Windows users. Open your Microsoft Store and on the source bar up top right here, search for BeFunky. And you can see the first result is photo editor.bfunky. Click on it for more info or just simply press get. Once you've done it, and after a while, your download and installation both should be completed. And once the installation is done, you can directly open it from the Microsoft Store app. Or just head towards the start button, click on it, and here you can see BeFunky. You can open it and enjoy your photo editing. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.